Good morning and welcome to Ontario Middle School as we are about to embark on the 2020-21 school year. My name is Mr. Sperling and I am the 6th grade intervention specialist. Hopefully you were able to join us for open house, and if you were not, that is perfectly fine. There's just a few different things that I want to run over real quickly that we typically would cover during our open house that unfortunately due to COVID-19 restrictions we are unable to this year. The first thing is we want to make sure that you familiarize yourself with the Ontario Schools webpage. Our website is ontarioschools.org, and to access the middle school page, you need to go to the district tab and come down to OMS. Here on the OMS website, there's going to be a lot of information that will just keep you as a parent up to date. There's tabs for parents to go through and look at a bunch of just different things, such as paying class fees online, dealing with lunch, checking grades for your children. For students, we've got quite a few links that we'll use as well, especially the AR login, which is for our accelerated reader program that we use in literature, and then also our Clever login, which we will go through, and that's where our Big Ideas math book is found. On the left side here, we have some very important links. One thing to look at is our COVID bell schedule. Our schedule has changed just a little bit in terms of what we've typically done in the past. As we continue scrolling down here, there's two very important things that I do want to talk about. The first one is the 6th grade orientation presentation. And typically what we would normally do for orientation is we would bring everybody into the auditorium and we as a 6th grade staff would go through and discuss all of these slides. Unfortunately, due to social distancing restrictions, we are unable to do that this year. So we ask that you please go through and you familiarize yourself with these slides, read through them. We will also spend time going through these with the students once we do get back into school. Parents, if you do have any questions about this, feel free to email any of the 6th grade staff members. Another link here is the 6th grade homework chart, and this is updated every day. When you look at the homework chart, what you'll see here is you'll see each of the classes that the students have. And then what we'll see is we'll see what our homework is and what is going to be due that night. So parents, here's a real easy way that you can sit here and you can figure out what does my kid have to do for homework each night. They will also have a Google Classroom, which we will get them set up here, hopefully Wednesday and Thursday into that. And they'll have a different Google Classroom for each of their different classes. And with that, they will have assignments posted to that. Although there's a lot of information I could go over, I'm just going to keep this, just very brief and short. We as a staff are very excited to get the school year going, and we can't wait to see all of the kids. Parents, we will get through this together.